So now we're going to add about half the quantity of this into our chicken. Next, we're adding some turmeric and ginger. Okay, so here is it. 3 cubes of Knorr. Next, we're going to add thyme and curry. 2 spoons of the Cameroon pepper and red pepper. Next, we're going to add half a spoon of salt. Mix this. I like to let the chicken simmer a bit in this before I add some water. I have some hot water boiled, so I'm going to add this to it. Now, after giving this a nice stir and making sure that all the ingredients are evenly distributed, I'm going to cover this and let the chicken bring out its own water and cook for a while before I add some hot water.